Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your paths. Proverbs chapter 3, verses 5 through 6. If at any point during this video you feel like you have been helped, then please share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Welcome back to English y Español con Lodoris. Today I want to give a shout out to an English learner named Bertie. She is so inspiring. She has a deep desire to learn this language, and that's what it takes, some dedication. So today, guys, I am going to give her some clarity on when to use the gerund form of a verb and when to use the infinitive form. So what is a gerund? Well, a gerund is just a verb plus the ing. Now we can say walking, talking, playing, like the example we're about to use right now. The gerund form of the verb to play is playing. I am playing, the ing on the end of the verb. To play is used as the second verb in a sentence. Now, in a sentence, we can never say, to play is fun. We can never do that. And we need to say, I like to play, for an example, okay? Or we can say, playing is really fun. Yes. Another example of the gerund form. I love running. The infinitive form of to run would be, I like to run. So these are two ways that we can use words to build our sentences, right? The third example is going to be like, I love cooking. Okay? I love is your first verb. Cooking is your gerund form of the verb, ing. Now, if we want to leave the verb to cook in the infinitive form, I love to cook. What's the difference between both of these sentences? Well, really, I love cooking and I love to cook. They both mean the same thing. There's really not a difference. So you can choose which one sounds easier to you. That's the one you would link to. So you are safe with both of those. In this sentence, I like, which one is correct for the gerund form of to run? A, I like running. B, I like to run. The answer is, I like running. Yay, we finished. Hopefully you have a better understanding about how to use a gerund and an infinitive form in a sentence. Come back here next week to practice the conversation in Spanish with a native speaker. See you next week. Bye.